There are many reasons you may need to be out of work for a short period of time. Recovering from a broken bone, having a baby, or taking care of your mental health. If one of these life events happens to you, would you be financially prepared to continue paying your bills for 4, 10, or even 20 weeks without your regular income? Many of us may think we'll never need to be out of work, but the reality is taking a short-term disability leave is much more common than you may think. In fact, 30% of U.S. households have had a main wage earner experience at least one event or condition that caused them to miss work for 30 days or more sometime in the past 10 years. Almost a third of those disability leaves were for maternity, with the rest being for injuries like fracturing a wrist, or for illnesses or other serious conditions, like a new cancer diagnosis. Guardian's short-term disability insurance offered through your workplace benefits replaces a portion of your paycheck for a set period of time while you're not able to work. With a percentage of your income being provided directly to you as financial support, you can worry less about your bills and can focus more on your health. Remember, support for your mind, body, and wallet begins with the benefits offered at your workplace. Be sure to take advantage of yours.